Guys, it's finally time to say goodbye. I know goodbyes are never easy, and this time also it is not easy for me. It's really painful, but life is such. You need to definitely move on with the flow, and this is one such video that I would never make, or I hate making because you've seen me that I'm very content focused. But sometimes life is such, situations are such, where you need to say goodbye. So it is all about the lovely and the sad memories that will remain with us forever. Please do watch this video till the end. This is very close to my heart. It's a special request because the entire video that is going to be there, it's going to have some bits and pieces until the end. With love, my name is Sahil. Let me just see you on the other side. Alright guys, welcome back. So my name is Sahil. You already know me that I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. And for the last 6 months, you've seen me making videos in India, and you've seen me do all of this. My practice and everything, especially my clients and my subscribers who have been in touch with me, who have called me. First of all, thanks a lot. Lots of love, and really thankful for all the love and support, because every time I speak to all of you guys, I really get pumped up. I know a lot of you have tried to reach out to me on phone as well and messages, but guys, I hope you understand that it's physically impossible for me to attend all of those lovely chats and messages that you send. I wish I could have, I wish I could attend to all of them, but then physical limitations, client work, office work, startups, family, and everything. They really, I mean, leave no room for one-to-one conversations, and that is why I make these videos, so that I can reach out to you all of you at once. Now guys, the reason why I'm making this video with a heavy heart, and all of you who've been watching my videos, my content, you already know that I don't make such videos, right? But after spending 6 months in India, first of all, it's time to say goodbye. By the time you see this video, I would already be on my journey towards Canada. I'll be heading back, and so guys, this is a goodbye to India, but a big thank you to India. More than a goodbye, this is more like a thank you. And there are a lot of memories, lot of things that I gained in the last 6 months. First of all, I think this recent trip to India, I know COVID was really bad. It is still very bad. We lost a lot of loved ones. We also missed a lot of loved ones, and my heart goes out to all of you guys you know uh, who suffered badly. I know these gaps in families, these situations cannot be filled with anybody else, but I really wish you all the love and support, and God bless everybody. Guys, for personally for me, I think these tough times have actually brought my entire family closer. I think all of this situation around me coming to India in January, you already know that my father was not doing well, my mother was not doing well, and in fact my wife also was not doing well in the first couple of months that I came in. So this trip brought us all together, gave us time to spend with each other. These medical emergencies were there in the family, due to which I had to come. Never did we know that our short trip would get as long as 6 months. So I've been in India for 6 months, and right now, while you're seeing this video, I will already be on my journey back to Canada, back to my home number two, because India will always be number one for me, right? I can never. I'm always an Indian at heart, and I can never forget India because it gave me everything in life that I have today. My family lives here. I also have a home, and let's see what future has in store for us. But I think this time, this trip, 6 months, I although materialistically Canada is definitely very very good, there's no doubt about that, but family, yes, is very important. You already know that. Now this is not a demotivation for all of those who are willing to go to Canada, okay, but this is definitely on the other side, This is a message to the families and the people who have been living far apart. I think you can use this opportunity to give your mom a call, your father, your brothers, siblings a call, say hi, drop a message of love to them so that everybody feels warm. And I think in these 6 months I've not lost anything, but I've gained a lot. And these memories, so I've been, right before I went to Canada, I was in Mumbai, and then, before that, I went to Bangalore as well. So I've been sort of away from home for a very long time, but these 6 months have been the longest in the past 5 years that I've been at home. Guys, another thing that I want to say is we're almost hitting 100,000 subscribers, and we're almost there about this far. I think it is your love, it is your channel. I was a nobody back in 2018 when I started this channel. I always had a vision. I always knew, what could help me, or where I want to be in the future. But yes, you brought this journey so far, and you've given me so much. And thanks to my entire, subscriber family, the subscriber community. I love you all, and thanks to YouTube for giving me this platform. Another thing that India gave me, I think, very special and love to the subscribers who made their journeys, the long journeys shorter for me, because I had subscribers coming in from Nepal, from Chennai, and from, Mumbai, Hyderabad. People specially came in just to meet me. Okay, and these were all consultations. Okay, they booked those consultations, and people actually drove from Nepal. I know there's this subscriber whom I know, and I'm really thankful to all of these subscribers who just came in to see me. Okay, they drove specially, they took flights during COVID, the risky times. Despite me telling them, guys, you don't have to come in, we can do these meetings over, Google Meet and everything. They just wanted to come and see me in flesh and blood. Okay, and I really am thankful for all that love, because I feel that I'm very lucky that people have been, so kind enough and so entrusting with all of their hopes. They've listened to me, and they've actually, given their precious time to me. And I think, I just want to be, I just want to do justice to their time, and I just want to give them the best advice that I can, and which is what I always do. And this is what I will be continuing to do. Guys, we have had some successful meetings. Now time for some good news. We have had some successful meetings. A lot of clients have come on board. These I would call this India trip as super successful, because I've, fortunately have been able to help a lot of clients. We have had some very good success rates. We have had some good rejections turned over. So gave me some good idea of, where to take the journey next, which brings me over to my next announcement, that yes, our India office is now open. It is, I would say that, immigration office is like, you need to speak to me if you want the advice that you're seeking from our office. But yes, we do have some small presence in Delhi, but that is mostly going to be a back office, because I am personally going to be working out of Canada. So you will mostly be able to still see me on these videos or talk to me on video calls and everything. But while you just need to, have a visit to the office, and all that is possible in Delhi. So for now, it's a very small office, very humble beginning, but my backend team is going to sit in that office, so no public meetings or anything as such. But yes, we are now in India. Another thing that I need to share with you is that we have now opened a dedicated student helpline. Now, what I witnessed was that in India, international students have been suffering badly with bad advice and with the wrong, tracks given to them. So for that, I think it was much needed, and especially with Canada inviting a lot of international students, this was much needed, where people would get, the best of the advice, and the best of the, the wordings, or the at least the pathways that we would want to. So we have dedicated one helpline to student counseling, student admissions, international education. where you can call the team, reach out to them, and then slowly, gradually come on board and have your caved out pathways. And this is going to be dedicated especially towards people who are young graduates, young 18 years and 25, 30 years. So still over 30, I will be catering to those cases personally. But below 30, I think this particular student hotline is going to be very beneficial, especially for 18 years, 22, 23 recent graduates are going to get real benefits from this. So you can definitely make use of it. Another announcement with regards to my India trip was that we have started up something big, real big, coming up very, very soon. We are just waiting statutory approval, some regulations to adhere to. Once we are done, you already know me, right? I am super adherent to all the regulations and everything. So we are still waiting for those approvals and everything to be sorted, everything to be put legally correct. So once we are legally abiding by every rule in Canada and India, we will be launching this small startup very, very soon in India. Obviously, this is going to be about immigration in Canada because there's nothing else that I can think of 24/7. But this is going to be another wing which you will love a lot. It's going to focus on one community, which is going to be huge. So just stay tuned for that. Big updates coming in the next 1 month, like back-to-back updates will be there, guys. Just to wrap up, some things are bitter and some things are sweet, but at the end of the day, they all form a part of your memories. And memories are only the only tangible or the intangible thing that you can carry over years, right? No money, no houses, nothing can happen, nothing can be carried forward, right? But only memories and family. So these are the two things, or these are the two constants in your life. Your friends keep on changing, your workplace, your country, your living house, everything can change, but memories will always stay with you, and your family will always be with you, right? So these are the two things that you must focus on. If you can, do take out time for your kids, for your family, for your loved ones, because you just saw that I've not been up on YouTube quite lately, because this is the time that my last days were approaching in India, and I just wanted to be with my family, and yes, of course, with my clients as well. So all my time was divided between my clients and my family. So beyond that, because these are the two things that needed utmost priority with YouTube. Yes, your love, and with love, I'm definitely gonna be there for the next oncoming years and months. But my urgent priority was family, because I was just leaving India. And yes, in the next couple of hours, you will see another update on all these platforms. I will be updating my trip. I'm going via Mexico, and all my trip updates, my photographs, and everything will be up. I will be putting out updates on all the channels on this Delhi to Frankfurt, Frankfurt to Mexico, and Mexico to Canada pathway. I will be making all the videos, I will be sharing all my inputs. So if you are planning to come to Canada through these routes of third country and especially Mexico, then the next couple of days are going to be really beneficial for you. Well, guys, that's it for today. I'm not feeling that great, but it is what it is. But yes, I am thankful to everybody, including my family, you, clients, everybody. And I would definitely love to be in touch with you. Until the next video, I wish you all the best, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.